Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you one of the achievements I have done by coding. I have created an area and perimeter calculator. It is a square area perimeter calculator. Here, if you enter any number, you will get your answer with your perimeter and your area in these two boxes. Let's check it out with the number 7. Calculate. We have got it right. Area's formula is the number by itself, means area into area. So 7 into 7 is 49 and perimeter is a square, so into 4. 7 4s are 28. Let's check it out with the number 9 also. Yes, it's right. Hooray! Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment below what new ideas can I put for you. Thank you guys. Keep watching.